out for a ride. Your mate Dan. Looking out there. Fucking. Let's go for it. Fucking hell. Yeah, having a good laugh. Good ride. Little breaks. Chill at places, you know what I mean? It's lovely day. Lovely day for it, guys. Yeah, man. Whoa. Look, a little tractor here. Absolutely lovely today, guys. Oh. Did you come out? In a way, I regret coming this way. I didn't think it was this bad. Yeah, we're here now anyway. Oh, we're at the bit of the Sandies. Oh. Pull up here. Let's put my bike on here. Come on, stand up, will ya? I won't stand up. That's the one. Look at these guys as well. Got to tell you. Look at the bike. Look at that one. And look at that one. Fucking mad, innit? Yeah, we're just over here at the Sandies. But yeah, it's lovely. Little canal down there. Yeah. We just got to the Sandals. Shall I have a little go around this track, guys, for you? Oh, if I can get it going. Yeah. Ooh. Round the bend. Oh, this side too bad. I bet the little nippers love this. Whoa. Shall I go for one of them big ones? No. End up snapping this granny machine. Over the first one. That's it. I am doing one-handed, guys, as well. Over this one. Around here. Whoa. Whoa. I ain't gonna go for it, but whoa. Mate, I heard you then, bro. Right. I'm just gonna go on the outside of this one. Whoa. And here we have it. Yeah, we go this way, bro. Oh! Oh man, look at these. I'm going to sit on that bench over there and have a chill. But just look at the size of these guys. Like, that's not even. Let me put my bike next to it. I need to show you this. Yeah, we're going to sit on this bench over here, mate. Where? Oh, just behind me. Right, look. Look at my bike compared to these jumps, guys. It's absolutely nuts. You go down in, obviously not done yet, but look at it. Some sheer ones.
Yeah, fucking mother-in-law asking me for the postcode so she can sort the skip.
Oh yeah.
So I wonder when she's actually bringing us up.
He's going for it, look. You'll see him coming back in a minute. Maybe. Woo, woo. Fuck's that up there? Madness. Yeah, man. Fucking sun shining. It's lovely. We'll come on to the wooden bit now in a sec, bro. Like a wooden... Oh, no, they've moved it. No way. It used to be here. Mate, there's... Oh, look at all this mud. Oh. With one hand as well. No! It looks like it finishes up here, bro, I think. Fuck's sake. What should we do? Mate, trust me. Look at this for a field, guys. Imagine that for a speed run field. But yeah, we're going to be going down this little track down here, bro. Little
there.
Nah, down, nah. Not up there, bro. Down here, mate. Fuck that deal. But yeah. Have a little chill, why not? Got my GPS on. Nearly. Yeah. You ready? Here we go. Say that bad, but fucking bit bad. Yo, fuck, Jesus Christ. Ready? Oh man, my legs. I'm just literally rolling, bro. Oh, non-handed. Let's stick to this. Stick to this lane. Train available. Right, look at the blue skies round here. Lovely. Not even like a cloud in sight. Look at it. Be a nice view up here, but I'm going to show you when I get to the top. Look at this for a view, guys. Right.
The second picture just gone for it.
Was it? Look at the flats right in the distance. You can see. That's Block Switch. Yeah, there's two. There's one, a couple up behind there, Warsaw. And if you look right in the distance there, there's Birmingham ones. Obviously this is Chase Water. Zoom out a bit. Yeah guys, it's amazing up here. Having a little chillax. Come on, bro! Right, eh? Make sure you got everything. Little stream down there, guys. Yeah. You ready? Right then. Off to the next location, pit stop. Off to the next location on the pit stop. Whoa, through them trees. Up and over this little lipper. I might get some speed coming through here. It's like a little. I don't think I'm doing it with one hand though, so. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm doing it with the hand. Whoa. It's like a little track in it. Let's do it with my hand, swap hands, because at least I can use my brake on this one now. Yeah, I've turned that on before we left, bro. Best thing about this GPS, guys, is when you just stop for so long, it just turns off, but it saves. So when you just turn it back on, it automatically saves to back where you was. So like literally, this is all today's ride. But I've done 2 mile before. Well, we've both done 2 mile before we even got the GPS, so let's add 2 mile till the end. At the end, score kind of thing. Well, not score, but the distance. But yeah, absolutely lovely over here. Got a little S-bend here. It's rock and roll. Oh shit. Fucking hell, it's filled up since last time. Yeah. Look at these deers. How close I am, guys. Where's that mom gone with the horns? Round that corner?
Yeah.
Want some food?
No.
Imagine stroking it, bro. I feel like stroking it, kid. No, I do, bro.
I wouldn't.
Why?
Why?
Would it?
Yeah, it's full of feed.
What about if I give him some crisps? Mad. Just having a sit here, having a little chill. Yeah, man. So this goes. Head it. Oh, Harvey, come and look at that one, bro. just like yours, kid. Bad boy. Oh, nearly crashed them, guys. Fuck, all these flies. The train station. Where's the trains? Yeah. Do you reckon Thomas is here, bro? Yeah, there's Percy. It's having a walk now. Just about to split for the day. 6 hours chilling. It's been a brilliant day. But yeah, man. Fucking mint. Yeah. Having a ride home now. Safe, bro! Down! Yeah. Got about 10 minutes ride home. We're on 7.4 miles so far, so let's see what it's like when I get back. Just off on our way home now. But yeah. Around it. It's doing about 12 miles an hour chilling. But yeah. Just have a cruise now, guys. But yeah. Come down to this big hill. Right side. You know, guys. Steve-O! Oh, good. That was close. How beautiful these back gardens are actually. To the canal. Sandage is up there. .5 mile. Had 2 mile on that before. So we're talking what 10.5 miles so far, so whew, it's a good ride. Just on my own now, guys. Just pedaling and pedaling today. Right, I'm back home. Got 22 miles an hour on the max. Average 6 miles an hour. Max 22. 3.4 mile. Had 2 mile before I even had this, put this on, so I'm talking 11.5 mile today. Altitude, yeah. Total time 3 hours. Don't know what that means. That's total movement 1 hour and 33 minutes. Crazy, but yeah. There we have it. Cheers for watching, guys.